What is the story with the TotalCare lineup of Miele vacuum cleaners? We get that question a lot. And there's a bit of a confusion. It's a bit confusing, I have to admit. So hopefully with this video, we wrinkle the whole thing out and you'll learn all about the TotalCare lineup of Miele vacuums. Now the first thing you're going to notice is there's 3 models of TotalCare, and guess what? They're all blue, and that's for a reason. Miele vacuums are color coded. So the TotalCare lineup is blue. Now, there's 3. There's the Compact C2 TotalCare, the CX1 Blizzard Bagless TotalCare, and the Complete C3 TotalCare. Now, I've actually put them together this way because the C2 TotalCare and the Bagless TotalCare are a lot closer together in terms of application and the attachments they come with than they are with the C3 model. I'll explain to you why. Both the Compact C2 TotalCare and the Bagless Blizzard CX1 TotalCare come with Miele's best bare floor tool for all bare floors and a turbo brush, which is a carpet tool, which is air driven. So it does have the rotating brush roll, but it's suction driven. Okay, so that means that application wise, there's a fire. No, there's not. So that means application wise, they're very similar, these two. They're both really, really good for people who have a lot of bare floors. But if you have pets and rugs and carpets, you want low shedding pets and lower pile rugs and carpets because the turbo brush is only so strong, right? The only difference there, they both have the same 21-foot cord, same motor, 1200 watt motor. This takes a 3.5 liter bag. This is a bagless model, of course, right? As far as attachments, they all come with the 3 accessory tools. The one difference here is the Miele Compact C2 TotalCare is the only model that also comes with a little hand turbo brush, which is really good for removing pet hair from furniture and upholstery and really good on runners on stairs. Okay, so these two explained. This, the C3 TotalCare, is a bit of a different story. And the reason for that is, well, it's a C3, so it's a full-size model. It's a bagged model. It takes a 4.5 liter bag, but it's equipped with an electric power head, okay, or what we call a beater bar. You know, there's many different names for it. That means there's rotating brushes here, which are driven by a motor. So that means there's wires running through the wand, through the hose, supplied power from there. And that means that this machine is good for higher pile rugs and carpets. So I would say medium to high pile rugs and carpets, any type of a bare floor, because this machine actually does come with a bare floor tool as well, which is this one. Okay, so it's a straight bare floor tool versus the parquet twister. But having a power head is very, very important for some people. So especially if you have pet hair, I would say low to moderate amount of pet hair. This machine would be very, very beneficial to you. Now, because this is a bagged model, it's a little closer to the C2 TotalCare as far as the fact that they both have bags, but application-wise, it's completely different. Now, this is a full-size model, so all the attachments are on board. It does have the longest cord here. This is a 24-foot cord versus the 21-foot corders. And 6 suction settings. These 2 machines have a rotary dial suction control. The C3 has an foot-operated suction setting. They all have a 1200 watt motor, so they all have the same suction power. It's just they're different in the tools they come with, which means they're different in application. They're also all available with a 5-year warranty for free. And, you know, we ship them all over Canada for free. We are the warranty center. Check us out on the website. If you have any questions, give us a call, 1-877-220-5656. Thanks.